Pip wandered further than usual that morning, past the big rock and the fallen acorn. Something ahead caught her eye, a splash of color she'd never seen before. It was a garden. Tiny red poppies, yellow daisies, and purple violets, all planted in neat little rows. Somebody had been very busy. And there she was, a little ladybug, carefully watering each flower with a single dewdrop. Her name was Rosie. Pip couldn't believe her eyes. "Did you grow all of these?" she whispered. Rosie smiled shyly. "Every single one." Rosie gave Pip the grand tour. "This is Daisy, that's Poppy, and this little Violet, she just bloomed yesterday." They sat together on a big yellow petal and talked and talked and talked. Some friends take ages to make. These two, about 5 minutes flat. Then a familiar sound drifted through the air. Music. Hop landed on a tall flower stem, leaf fiddle tucked under his chin. He played the softest, sweetest melody, slow and gentle, like a warm breeze through the petals. And then something magical happened. The flowers began to open wider, stretching their petals toward the music, like tiny, colorful hands reaching for something wonderful. Rosie gasped. They've never done that before. Her eyes were as wide as her spots. Pip looked at Rosie. Rosie looked at Hop. Hop grinned his big green grin. 3 brand new friends, standing together in a garden full of magic and music. Then, Hop played a silly, fast jig. Pip and Rosie tried to dance, bumped right into each other, fell over, and laughed until their tummies hurt. The sun sank low and painted everything in gold. The flowers glowed like little lanterns, warm and bright in the beautiful evening light. Pip waved goodbye. "Same time tomorrow?" Rosie nodded so fast her spots bounced. Tomorrow couldn't come soon enough.